Hey there, young mathematicians! Welcome to this fun lesson on the order of operations used in math. PEMDAS may sound like a silly word, but it is an acronym or memory strategy that will help you ace your math tests. In this video, I will explain what PEMDAS means, how it works, and will teach you how to create your own Pet PEMDAS. So, are you ready to become a PEMDAS expert? Let's get started. Oh, let me tell you a story, my dear little friends, about PEMDAS, a creature that twirls and bends. It's a pet that I have. It hangs in the trees. It helps me solve math with expertise. The PEMDAS acronym is what we will use, a helpful tool you cannot refuse. It reminds us of the steps to take when solving math, for goodness sake. Now let me explain what these letters mean. PEMDAS is a rule that defines a routine. P stands for parentheses, use them first. Solve what's inside and write what's immersed. E is for exponents, they're powerful tools. Simply solve the next step, just follow the rules. M is for multiplication. It's easy to see. Just multiply the numbers and listen to me. D is for division. It's the opposite of M. Just divide the numbers and rewrite them. A is for addition. When two things combine, just add the numbers. It's perfectly fine. S is for subtraction. When things take away, just minus the numbers. No need to delay. Now let me explain my Pet PEMDAS to you. You cut out the shapes and hang up a few. The P's on the forehead, the E's on the nose, M and D on the hands. They spin, and who knows, when the torso twirls, you will soon find D and M on the hands, a new order assigned. The A and the S on the feet down below, and when the legs spin, the other side will show the S and A in that order presented to solve the math problems. It's what's recommended. Drawing smiles under PEMDAS will assist to remind you the order will spin and twist. It all depends on the problem given. Working left to right, it's about the position. So remember this story. And don't you forget, PEMDAS is your friend you'll never regret. Using this rule, you'll solve problems with ease. Follow the steps. Oh, won't you please? Congratulations, math whizzes! You now know all about the order of operations used in math. By following the PEMDAS steps, you can easily solve even the most complex math problems. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to do the fun activity where you get to make your very own Pet PEMDAS. Discover all our math adventures with memorable math at learningspecialistcourses.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so others can discover these tips and resources too.